10 natural ways to whiten your teeth at home. People across the globe spend billions of dollars each year on teeth whitening products. When it comes to whitening your teeth, there are countless products available out there. However, the problem is that these products contain chemicals. If you want to avoid chemicals, here are 10 natural ways to whiten your teeth at home. Number 10. Baking soda. One of the most used tricks to naturally whiten your teeth at home is using baking soda. Baking soda is a little abrasive, but is also able to remove surface stains from your teeth without damaging the enamel. It also prevents bacteria from growing. However, first you will have to make baking soda toothpaste. For that, create a mixture of 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 2 tablespoons of water. Number 9. Hydrogen peroxide. Another renowned popular natural tooth whitener is hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide has the ability to kill bacteria. However, there are some potential side effects of using hydrogen peroxide, so make sure to keep the risk in mind and teeth. No pun intended. It is better to use a 1.5% of hydrogen peroxide mouthwash before you brush your teeth. This will keep your teeth healthier. However, try not to use hydrogen peroxide more than 2 times a week, otherwise it will result in enamel decay. Number 8. Apple cider vinegar. Just like hydrogen peroxide, apple cider vinegar also has the same antibacterial properties. It is an excellent natural teeth whitener, but just like hydrogen peroxide, it also causes enamel decay. So if you use it for a long time, your teeth will go soft, and whenever you will bite into an apple, your teeth might stay stuck into it, never coming back into your mouth. No pun intended. You can also use a mouthwash of apple cider vinegar, as that will be safer, but still don't go overboard. Number 7. Fruit. Some fruits like pineapple, papaya, and strawberries are naturally good teeth whiteners. These fruits have certain enzymes that whiten teeth. However, simply eating them won't whiten your teeth, and directly applying them to your teeth can be harmful, as berries and some other fruits have acids that damage the enamel. The best thing to do is buy toothpaste, the papain or bromelain. That will do wonders. Number 6. Oil pulling. While the process of oil pulling has little evidence to support it, it's still quite effective according to the results. For this process, you need to take a tablespoon of low flavour oil like coconut oil, sunflower oil, sesame oil, and swish it around in your mouth for a couple of minutes. This removes the food particles and kills the bacteria. Then spit the oil out and rinse your mouth. Number 7. Brushing and flossing. One of the best ways to whiten your teeth is simply to brush and floss regularly. This is necessary for your oral health. Nothing will hinder the growth of bacteria in your mouth than this. Flossing is also important, so that it can remove food particles. Try brushing your teeth at least twice a day, and brush for 2 minutes. Brush your teeth thoroughly, even the back of your teeth. Then rinse your mouth and follow up with a mouthwash if you'd like to. Also, floss your teeth every time you brush. Number 4. Activated charcoal. One of the easiest and most effective ways to naturally whiten your teeth is activated charcoal. All you have to do is crush a charcoal tablet into powder, then dip your clean wet toothbrush in the powder, and brush your teeth like you normally do. Number 3. Powdered milk and toothpaste. You might not have heard this one, but powdered milk can make your teeth as white as a pearl and keep them healthy. All you have to do is put some toothpaste on your toothbrush and then add a little bit of powdered milk on top and then brush your teeth. Number 2. Baking soda and lemon juice. Another way is taking a little baking soda, putting it on your toothbrush, and then add some drops of lemon juice over it, and voila! You will have shiny teeth, but remember not to do this much, as I already explained to you the side effects of baking soda. Number 1. Prevention. Now, the most important thing is to simply control the types of food you consume. There are many types of drinks or foods that will leave a stain on your teeth, especially those candies that leave your teeth or tongues coloured like a pony's tail. I know it is fun to consume, but make sure not to overdo it. Avoiding these foods will keep your teeth white as pearl. Look, I hate to do this to you guys, but coffee also leaves a lot of tea stains. Red wine, soda, dark berries, tea and tobacco. Either it is smoking or chewing, all these will cause teeth to turn yellow. However, you don't have to give up coffee for this, as long as you drink it in moderate amounts. Enjoy some of the other treats at an auspicious event and make sure to rinse your mouth afterward. That's all for today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Take care and stay tuned.